Well, the stats don't lie in regards to injuries on site and the types of assets that are most likely to cause injury. So, stats are anything around the telehandler and the forklift space, anything lifting material, tight parameters around people. Safe Work New South, Safe Work Australia shows that the stats of highest amount of injuries occur with these type of assets. Now Dave, what have we done on the Merlo telehandler here?
Okay, we've got all the bells and whistles on this bad boy. So the first thing you'll see here, we have two zones set up, a yellow zone, which is from the yellow cone through to the red cone. What's going to happen, there's a little display in the cab, which is going to point an arrow for the operator in yellow, indicating what direction we're entering that zone. And inside the cab, he's going to get a beeping noise. Once we move to the red zone and beyond, it's going to turn red, that little stick man with the arrow. The beeping's going to change to pedestrian detected, because we're in a really high risk zone. It's going to send that video and the location and details around the machine up to the safety hub for the safety inspectors to review. And so that's what's going to happen when we enter the zone. Now, we also have an external speaker, because that all gives the operator complete visibility around his machine. But we want to now let people know outside the machine that they're entering those zones. So as we enter those zones, you're going to hear a loudspeaker externally tell us that we're getting into the area where we should not be and to get out. And then furthermore, you'll see the yellow shield up on the machine. Now that's a thumbs up. The idea behind the thumbs up is that we stick our thumb up to the operator if we need to approach that machine. In turn, operator presses a button and that'll send out a loud message and give us a green thumb on that display to say, okay, I know you want to come to me, you're safe. Now in doing that, that's going to stop that machine from moving forward, and it's going to stop the forks from being able to operate as well. So there's no risk when we're talking to that operator. There'll be no movement of that machine whatsoever. Have our conversation, it'll mute all the alarms so it's not extra loud for us. We get out of the zones, they press the button and they go back to work. So mutes,
let's run through a typical example. You're running around on site, blokes are on the phone and they're just walking around.
There's our external alarm.
Straight away, it's a loud enough audible warning to go, righto, I need to move myself back out of this zone, and we move back out of our zone, and in turn,
I want to go and talk to him.
Thumbs up, accepted. Approach with caution.
Okay, now moving.
Thumbs up, accepted. Approach with caution.
It's muted all the alarms. The operator here cannot move this machine. As you can see here, it lifts the revs up here. He's trying to press the accelerator, rev her up. The machine is totally disabled for moving while this thumbs up is activated. The little display is still going to show what direction that somebody has entered that machine, okay? So you can see there, it's still saying there's someone there, and if somebody is around behind, that operator can still know from in the cab while he's having a conversation with our cameraman that somebody has entered the zone from behind the machine. So totally disengagement, it's not moving, it's muted the alarms. I've had the conversation, I've handed over a set of plans or whatever it might be to the operator. We're now going to get out of the area, and when we do, the operator will hit that button and re-engage that machine hydraulics and put it back to work. And now he can go back to work and he's got full control, as you can see, of the machine. And that's your telehandler with Safety Shield Global.